Hello and welcome. Let's take a look at the ESR Protective Tablet Case for the iPad 12.9-inch 4th generation 2020 edition, iPad Pro that is. It's also supposed to be compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2018 edition. I gotta admit I already opened it, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. Okay, we get a little self-promotion, I suppose. The case is rose gold, and I gotta say, looking at the screen as I record this, the colors are true to it. And I have to say, oof, this is a very specific color. And here we have some padding, and that is it. Let's get rid of the plastic. And let's get the iPad in. I think we can just go ahead and start with that. Now, the nice thing about this cover is not the cover itself, I have to say, but rather... Actually, no, the cover is nice. The cover is not bad. The color is not good, though. This is my taste, though. Might be different from yours. Now, this is the best part about this. You can put the pen here where it charges and where it is protected. Now, there are some cases that have this kind of section for the pen to be protected. Sorry there. But they do not charge. It is on the other side. Bit of a strange thing. Or the separation here exists as well, and then it's too thick for it to charge. As you can see, it goes to sleep right away. Well, you cannot see it, but you can hear it, right? I like the logo, actually. It reminds me of the Asus T100 series logo. I guess it's still the same logo currently on the ZenBooks as well. Right, so the most important thing for us is to figure out, can we use this as a stand? And I believe, yeah, we're supposed to use it like that and not like this. This is less stable. Right, so fold inwards. And then you can kind of... Yep, it's quite stable. Even though the triangle doesn't stay, it's fine. Now to get this, to get this one out, we can push it from down here. Let me show you that. There are two holes here, basically. You can push the pen out through them. Of course, the cutout is pretty good. No problems here at all. And as for like protection, I guess this definitely feels protected on this side. This here, well, better than nothing, but it is not very thick. Probably what you would expect from these rather cheap cases. Affordable, let's say. The feel here, well, it's all right. It is something I would like to the iPad to be touching. It is soft, but it's also kind of fake. I don't know, I think the color affects my judgment, though. We can just slap it closed and don't feel bad about it. The cover does close on top of a case. I noticed it's different in some cases. In this case, it does close on top of the outer hull, which I like. So it means I'm not bashing this against the actual screen. It does not stick to the back, I believe. Let's test this real quick. Correct. It just flaps around there. There are no magnets holding it in place. And we don't even need to try this on a fridge or anything like that. Right, so for painting, not too bad. Let's see. I'm going to draw something. Okay, so the question is, does my pen and does my pencil and does my iPad live here now? We'll see. So for drawing, this is pretty good. Definitely stable enough. Now let's try the other way around. Okay. I guess we're gonna go do some browsing. Selecting and typing the URL bar or the search bar here, no problem. It doesn't fall over or anything. It's standing rather stable. Don't think it would hold up in a bed though, which is pretty much the most important use case for me for watching videos. But it is stable enough. You can put the pen up there. That's fine too. And the best thing about this case really is that the storage for the pen is also where it charges. I really like that. And at the same time it does protect it from the outside, which is probably very good for some people who maybe have a very hectic life, running around with the iPad, I don't know, smearing against other people, and then it just stays in there rather than falling out as some cases would have it, or if you just wear it around attached to the iPad, let's call it naked, like that. Because it's not supposed to be stable like that. I think I'm gonna make a few photos, but the color I'm seeing on the previous screen right now is true to it. It is not at all pink as the pictures on Amazon made it out to be. So if you like this color, as you see it now, go for it. If you don't, check out the other colors. Oh, didn't even notice, here's the ESR logo. This is one of the cheapest cases you can get for the iPad 2020 12.9 inch that provides this kind of protection. So don't expect a lot, but also this is not trash that falls apart immediately. Don't worry about that. Oh yeah, of course, the buttons. Let's talk about the buttons. It feels all right. I haven't seen a case that didn't have good buttons yet. Okay. Okay. Actually, the top volume button, volume up button, not that great actually. Strange. Why are they so different? Well, at least it's a volume up one. Reducing volume, I think, is more important. I mean, being able to do that quickly without problems. As for the ports here, microphone is over here. Probably also all right, especially if you have it open. It's not stable in the back. It just moves around. That's kind of normal for cases, I gotta say. But again, it doesn't magnetize against itself. Annoying. But again, this is one of the cheapest. And you already can see the material here changing. Let's see if I can catch this on camera as well. Well, I guess I'll take some photos. Not much more to say about this, to be honest. Stay tuned for my other case reviews. I've got 2 coming up, and those I'm really happy with. So until next time, have a good one. Ciao!